Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So today's video is probably gonna be a short one, but I wanna give you Nano Dimension's plan for the year 2021. Now their plan is actually laid out in their investor presentation, but not many people are actually going through this and looking at what specifically they plan on doing. So let's dive straight into this and let me show you what they are gonna be doing in 2021. So this is a part of their investor presentation. It says here, plan for 2021, riding the elephant. First point is started a prototyping / fabrication services business. And then it's nanos, in brackets, nano services. So this is something they're really focusing on, is this nano services. This is something I didn't really understand at first glance, but diving deeper into it, I think of a better understanding, and they actually lay out what it is in a few other slides. So what this is, Nano Dimension's 3D fabrication services. Nano Services is an offering for customers who need to get their hands on complex, multi-layered, high-performance electronics with a quick turnaround time. Provide services to customers around the globe with its fabrication labs in the US, Israel, and Hong Kong. Guaranteed quick turnaround for complex, high PEDs. And how this works exactly is actually super simple for customers. The first thing is you chat with an expert regarding the most efficient way of printing your model. Send your CAD or SolidWorks files to optimize the printing. Your parts are printed cost effectively and shipped to you in the shortest competitive time. And this entire process would take up to a week. So this is something they're really focusing on, and that is to their second bullet point. It says, expect nanos as a revenue generator, but mainly as a route for Dragonfly purchases once CapEx are released post-corona. And CapEx stands for capital expenditures. Capital expenditures are funds used by a company to acquire, upgrade, and maintain physical assets such as property, plants, buildings, technologies, etc. And then moving on to the next part, which a lot of YouTubers are talking about, is the M&A search directed at targets that will enable to leverage nanos. And so for those of you guys that don't know what M&A is, this stands for merger and acquisitions, referred to the management, financing, and strategy involved with buying, selling, and combining companies. This is probably the biggest talks amongst YouTube right now, is that Nano Dimension has raised nearly $400 million in total, and it's just sitting on their balance sheet. There's a lot of theories on what they're going to use this money for, and it does say directly in the side, M&A search directed at targets that will enable to leverage nanos. So this company is very focused on nanos right now. Hopefully this can produce some serious revenue in the future. I've looked into the total addressable market and I've tried to figure out how much revenue we can expect with Nano Dimension, and this is nearly impossible to figure out. We know the total addressable market for 3D printing, but not all of that is going to be applicable to Nano Dimension. And if you go through their entire investor presentation, they don't provide any future projected revenues. So it's all up in the air right now. But anyways, moving forward here, I'm gonna skip a little bit of it, but it does say here that minimal investments in sales and marketing, in brackets other than nanos, until CV is over. And they put several exclamation marks in here. This is actually a really key point, is that they are gonna put minimal investment into sales and market other than nanos. So again, they're really emphasizing nanos. This is something that this company is heavily focusing on, and they're going to draw a lot of capital towards it. I think if we do see some kind of acquiring of a company or a merger, I think it's going to be regarding nanos that's going to benefit that service. And hopefully that comes out soon. I'm super curious to see what it is, but I'm actually leaning towards a possible acquisition, maybe Tesla. That would be the dream, but yeah, very interesting that they are really highlighting nanos in this slide. And then this last point on their slide is just to justify what they previously stated. And it says that there is no reason to drill in a dry field. The rich grounds is expected to reopen in 2 to 4 quarters. And yeah, this is just a justification for not spending lots of money on sales and marketing. They don't expect things to pick up in 2 to 4 quarters because of the health crisis. So I actually like this strategy. There's no sense wasting all this capital that they've raised. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching until then. I really just wanted to provide this video to you guys to to clarify where a lot of us YouTubers are getting this information from. It's in their own slide that they're looking for that M&A opportunity, and I really do think this is going to happen very soon. So big things are coming, just remain patient. The market today is very much in the red, so we could see some short-term down pressure on this stock. But really, when a huge announcement is going to be announced on this acquisition or merger, I think this stock could pop massively. So yeah, that's all I have for you in today's video, guys. Make sure you drop it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more future content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.